Sophie. See it. That is unacceptable. I can't believe she ripped open her stocking.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Is there catnip in there that's not in there anymore, or is it still in there?
I don't see any catnip.
I wonder where it went.
Take that.
Let's see some stuff. What do you got?
Tech deck.
What the heck is a tech deck?
It's a skateboard thing.
Well, that's
Take
just
the wheels
sweet.
and put stickers on it, and I have no idea what that is.
This flip is
Did you get your
nice.
cologne, Sean?
Cologne.
What is that?
You'll see.
Oh, Adidas. Your favorite.
So happy.